Toyota Tsusho Corporation, the only trading company in the Toyota Group established in 1948, presently having more than 900 subsidiaries in over 150 cities of 90 countries across the globe. A plug-and-play model has been introduced for the first time on the industrial landscape of Gujarat through incorporate with new subsidiary called Technotrends Autopark, where Japan Bank for International Cooperation, JBIC, is also significant shareholder in this project.
I have seen that India has huge untapped potential and supreme talent, and we need to utilize this potential and raise this talent to accelerate the development of and growth of the manufacturing industries of India and Japan.
Approximately 285,000 square meters of land within Industrial Park at GIDC Mandal, located 85 kilometers from Ahmedabad city, has been allotted by Government of Gujarat through GIDC.
Toyota Tsusho has come up with a plug-and-play project which is really inspiring because they've brought in all the services under one roof. It's a comprehensive system where all the services required for the industry, business support services, everything is given under one roof, and also the trained manpower is provided.
Toyota Tsusho enthusiasts to contribute to society and overcome the problem of skilled manpower availability in Vithalapur and nearby areas seek the appropriate support from Government of Gujarat to establish training center. When Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe visited India in September 2017, Toyota Tsusho NTTF Training Center, next gym center in Gujarat, was announced to shape the future of the youth by making them able, skill-able and employable.
Through Toyota Tsusho, NTTF has launched the NEEM program in Gujarat, and this program enables the students to earn their livelihood while they are learning.
The growing economy of India accelerates the dreams, Make in India and Skill India as a responsibility towards the society and industrial assistance. To bridge the gap between supply and demand of growing jobs in Mandal, Vithalapur, Behachraji and Sanand, our dynamic trainers provide hands-on training to students in English, business etiquette and teamwork. Additionally, the renowned Japanese manufacturing practices such as methodologies, safety training and shop floor management like 5S Kaizen are also taught to the students for an all-round development.
This center has a great future. We also feel on the part of the Government of Gujarat that we'll have long-lasting partnership with them.
Monozukuri education for realizing Make in India story, for industry, for society, for people's future.